Hello guys, and welcome back to our Vexel art tutorial. And sorry for the background noises. Yan yung mga crickets. I'm sorry, gabi na rin kasi. And ayun, if you miss out our previous videos, you can check out this link kung lalabas sa taas, or maybe you can just check the description down below for the playlist of different Vexel art tutorials na available sa ating channel. And ayun, this time mga lods, natapos natin kanina yung fruit, and then yung lips. This time naman mag-add tayo ng details sa fruits. Okay, so let's check. This is the fruit. So ang gagawin natin is we're going to add maybe shadows. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so maybe below sa baba ng seeds. So let's start by tracing this part. Yan. Ayusin natin to kasi ito yung maghihiwalay sa fruit at sa ating lips. So ganyan lang mga lods ang pag-trace ko. Then let's combine. Maybe let's look for same color, and this part has that color. So pareho sila ng kulay. Oh, sorry. Close. And then make sure to combine. Okay. Let's select pen tool, make sure to combine para magsama sila sa isang shape. Yan. Maybe I think on this part siguro. Yan. Okay, so after that, I think we're doing great. So technique is to select this, then make it somewhat darker. Yan. So this will add some shadows sa ating fruits or fruit. Then let's add more here. Yan. This part. Sa ibabaw niya lang, make sure to combine. Kuha pa tayo on this part. Yan. When it comes to subjects, I mean things, objects, kagaya nito, can just something like this. Hindi naman nakakailangan super precise. Ayan. So let's select the same color and make it much darker. Ayan, so nagkakaroon na siya ng parang somewhat 3D effect. Then let's add more here. Sa baba ng shadows natin. Yan. So let's add some colors. Oops. Make sure to new layer. Yan. Kunin na natin yung these parts. Yan. Siguro ganyan. Combine. Okay. Something like that. Okay, so na-close na yun. Yan. Yan, so let's check. Yan. Okay. Yan. So let's yung color siguro base na naman natin dito, pero let's make it somewhat dark. Dark ba? Tama ba? Oo. Yan. Then lastly, we're going to add highlights. Siguro let's make sure to combine, just to consume one layer. Yan. Then, yung part na medyo orange, ito yung mahirap kapag yung part na yung content ng fruits, mahirap lalo na pag yung may mga pulps. Yan. Okay, orange. Okay, close. Then this part. Think, and this part. Close. Pero kukunin natin yung kulay niya dito, orange. Then let's make it maybe 50, 30. Add layer mask. Then let's somewhat raise. Okay, so let's continue the masking. I'm sorry, may tumawag. And so let's add the layer mask. Then let's what part? Okay, that's the seed. So I'm going to delete this layer mask. Okay, where is the... Okay, this one. So ang gagawin natin is to somehow delete some, just to make the some fades. What is this part? Yan. Okay, and then maybe this part, let's add some layer mask. Yan. Delete natin konti. This part. Yan. Then let's put back the... Okay. So I think that's getting better. It's better. And then let's add some this one, green. Okay, so maybe this on this part. Okay, yeah. Siguro I'm going to add this green, maybe something like that. Okay, just to make it look like real fruit. Yan, parang totoong prutas na. And then let's add some details sa seeds. New layer. Okay, sorry. Let's combine. Yan. Apo kaya? Yan. And then on this part, okay. Yan. Then ito rin. Details. Nag-merge ko lang. And then okay, sorry. Combine. Yan, details lang mga lods. Yan, so let's add here. Yan. So close. Yan. So adding some details. So let's see. Maybe let's keep like that. Yan. So our fruit looks looks better, but I think lagyan pa natin doon. Combine, make sure to combine some euro, something like that. Yan. So, mas maganda na siyang tignan. What we're going to do is going to fix this part. Kasi this is the fruit. Yan, iayusin lang natin to. Pahit kasi tignan eh. I mean, may puti. Makes the output pangit. Okay. I think we're good with that. So, ano pa ba? Siguro let's add something color na ganito para parang yung kanya, yung base. Yan. Just to make it look like the base. And then siguro also we're going to add a sa ibaba niya. Yan, new layer. Something like that. Yan, new layer. But this time, bibis natin yung kulay dito, pero let's make it lighter, closer to the white. Yan. Tapos, on this part, may nakikita pa tayong medyo hindi maayos. So, let's fix that by... Okay. So, I think we're done with the fruit. And that's it for this video tutorial mga lods on this part. And ayun. On the next video, ang gagawin natin is we're going to add some details dito sa may face niya. So mag-add na tayo ng shadows and highlights. After that, we're going to fix the eyebrows and add details sa kanyang hair. So that will end up our video. I'm hoping na kung may natutunan naman kayo mga lods, do not forget to like our video, share this to your friends, and do not forget to subscribe kung bago ka pa lang sa ating channel. Don't forget also to follow me and on my Instagram and add me as friends sa aking Facebook account so that you will be updated for upcoming videos and some tutorials. Maraming salamat mga lods, and I hope to see you on the next video. Maraming salamat. Thank you and see you on the next video.